I was looking for something super aesthetic, and I ended up getting this guy, the Elgato Stream Deck. It's super easy to organize. The program on my computer makes everything drag and drop. I have my apps here. You could change the icons, which is super nice. And also, you could put text on it. You cannot, these are just my emotes, my personal emotes from Twitch. Oh, and the emotes actually open on my computer, not when I press the button, obviously, but, so we have the apps here. We also have links. This one's my Twitch, so it's just my Twitch icon, and a couple different ones, but the knobs help with the brightness of the actual Stream Deck. This is touchscreen, so it's nice because you can turn the page. I don't have a second page set up, so it's just blank here, but, you can swipe back. I've got some sound effects here. And yeah, I just really love it. I think that it is super helpful, super luxury. I love the white. It goes with, you know, the rest of my white setup here. But yeah, I think it's incredible. It's adorable. It's gorgeous. It's aesthetic. And it's functional above all else. So pick yourself one up.
I got this for doing video editing. It's absolutely awesome. Really improved like the workflow, making it faster. Uploaded some like third-party plugins, which are great. Really easy to kind of like change the settings. Like the knobs feel absolutely
Switzerland, because it's very beautiful. The site.
Knobs feel like absolutely amazing. You can like swipe around to go with different settings you like. Really easy to set up, really easy to configure, and so many third-party plugins you can use, and the knobs like feel like absolutely great. Can you return it in both ways? You can push on them. Really, really good tool. Look forward to using this. Already like speeding up how I edit and get some work out that I need to do fast.